Booking an adult education course is a high-trust, high-commitment decision. Whether it is a 10-week cookery course or a package of 15 driving lessons, the student is investing significant time and money into a new identity. When that student encounters a complex website with hard-to-navigate menus, their initial motivation very quickly turns into frustration. This friction does more than annoy the user. Forcing Google's AI to dig through complicated website architectures to find your course offerings effectively kills your local search ranking. Most independent academies miss the true reason students choose to enroll in the first place. A student is looking to purchase a transformation. They value the person they will become at the end of the course far more than the specific line items of a syllabus. Underneath every search is a genuine fear of failure. Adult learners are often intimidated by the learning process and worry they lack talent to succeed. By providing what to expect guides, you signal that your academy has the patience to support a beginner through those initial anxieties. If your digital presence fails to project that sense of support and proving results, the academy loses the student before a single click happens. Traditional SEO strategies rely on generic, highly competitive keywords like driving school and Midrand. This forces you to compete for the same broad terms as every other business in town. We focus instead on outcome-based search. This diagram shows the difference. While the top path splinters into generic competition, the bottom path connects a student's specific goal, like pass driving test first time, directly to your academy. Google's localized map pack algorithm prioritizes business profiles that align perfectly with these high-intent emotional outcomes. When you align your profile with the desired results of your students, you bypass the traditional search competition and become Google's primary recommendation for that specific transformation. Most educators make a specific structural error when setting up their Google business profile that limits their visibility. They list their courses under the Services tab, which traps their offerings in a flat, gray text list that is easily ignored by potential students. The solution is the Builder orientation, a back-end strategy designed to maximize your presence on the search page. Categorizing your courses as products provides a distinct mechanical advantage. It replaces the text-only list on the left with a dynamic, swipeable carousel of image cards on the right. This formatting shift triggers that interactive carousel to appear directly on the primary search results page, demanding the user's attention. Using the Builder orientation physically pushes your competitors down the screen, turning a standard listing into a high-visibility, interactive storefront. Even with high visibility, relying on polished stock photography will backfire. These generic images signal a lack of authenticity and quickly erode a student's trust. The relief reality strategy requires using authentic imagery that shows the actual process and the actual results of your training. Google uses Vision AI to scan your photos and identify real-world objects, like a professional range or a steering wheel, to verify your business location and category. These authentic visuals provide the technical proof the algorithm needs, while simultaneously reassuring the human reader. The most powerful image you can capture is the exact second a student achieves their transformation. That expression of genuine pride and relief serves as a psychological anchor for the prospective learner. By providing this specific type of visual proof, you neutralize the learner's intimidation and prove that your academy is a legitimate authority. High-quality imagery must be supported by structured, outcome-driven descriptions to fully trigger the algorithm. Avoid the trap of listing only syllabus dates and times. This approach ignores the emotional reasons why a student is searching. Every course description in your catalog must follow this three-part formula: a keyword lead, an empathy hook, and the final transformation. First, lead with exactly what the user is typing into the search bar, such as 10-week beginner culinary arts. Next, address the student's fear with an empathy hook, like intimidated by the kitchen, and finish with the promise: master knife skills and plate your first 5-star dinner with confidence. This sequence satisfies the human reader's need for reassurance, while giving the algorithm the localized outcome data it requires to rank your profile. The final phase of dominating the map pack is generating the user-created trust signals that cement your new ranking. The peak dopamine protocol is a strategy for triggering a zero-friction text message request for a review. You sent this request at the exact moment of the student's transformation, capturing their highest state of pride and accomplishment. This perfectly timed request floods your profile with 5-star, keyword-rich testimonials that verify your authority to both Google and new students. By shifting to outcome-based targeting, utilizing the builder orientation, and capturing authentic visual proof, an independent academy transforms from a hidden classroom into the most trusted local authority in the city.